Hey guys, King D here. I found out a way to hack the mobile version of Minecraft. You just download ToolBox from the Google Play Store. You open it up. You have to have the newest version of the game though. It works on a few servers like 2B2T, MCPE. Though they will try and kick you eventually if you keep trying to hack. Like, flying around is fine. No. Let's see if we can get these hacks to work on Mineplex. Like, Mineplex, I have nothing against them. I just don't really... Their servers don't run that well. Oh, okay, well, no, stop. At least the mini-map works. Flying. Yeah, this works. If you could just casually fly around on Mineplex if you really want to. I'm not sure if this is client side or server side as well, so I don't think people actually just saw me fly around. Yeah, you have some cool things like air jump and stuff. Just jumping around on Mineplex using hacks. I honestly never knew that it had this spiral street. I haven't really explored the server that much. I'm surprised they haven't banned me yet. I'm literally using hacks. They'll actually probably ban me if I try and give myself items. I'm just gonna run. Just gonna casually send down on these people.
Doggy. Oh, you're a stinky dog. Stinky. Ugh.
Actually, I know these are actually server side. The way I learned of this was from some dude on 2B2T, Bedrock. He told me that I could just use this, and he was flying around. So, what's up, guys? No. Yeah, I'm flying around. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? Speed! Speed! Oh wow, that's actually really laggy. See y'all. Oh no. Don't think I should have done that. Alright. Yeah, they probably I think they just saw me flying around. This is fun. Actually, I wonder if I can use this to troll around, but give item. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. Ooh, kill. Oh, that's locked. Teleport to player. You. Oh. Okay, my teleport magic isn't working. But can I really use this on the games on the server? So far, all I know is that this just works. It attaches itself to your Minecraft game, when you open the ToolBox app. Though if you just open Minecraft normally, you won't be in there. Yes, I'm going to mess around in Sky Wars using flying. Yes. Huh. You're just like, wait, what? Why is this dude flying around? Oh. He's like, what? Oh. E. Special. He's just looking at me. Like, dude, what? If I can actually use this to kill people in Sky Wars. Oh, yes. Oh. Yep. Alright, so you can use these hacks on single player, on realms, on certain servers fully, or just a little bit in Mineplex. But whatever you do, don't fly around in Sky Wars, or you'll get banned or kicked for hacking. Which, I mean, it makes sense because you are hacking, but let's take a look at it in a regular world. Oh yeah, this crashed my game because I gave myself portal blocks. Because I placed a portal block like this, how it's like in 2v2t, and it crashed my game. But it works. Let's take ourselves to the nether. Alright. Flying time. Alright, so we're in the basalt one. Oh. Skeleton. Oh. Oh. Wait, does walk on water work with lava? No, it doesn't. It does not. I get noob creeper. So yeah, if you just want to mess around and troll in the lobby of Mineplex, go ahead and download ToolBox. If you want to be evil in 2b2t, go ahead and download ToolBox. If you just want to hack in survival mode, just go download ToolBox. You can have no fall damage, so you can survive in the pits of 2b2t. Well, anyways, goodbye.